Good Morning Texas Home and Wealth, sponsored by Rodney Anderson with Supreme Lending.
Your offer was accepted. Check. And your mortgage approved. Check. But that doesn't mean your new home is a done deal. Rodney Anderson, GMT's mortgage expert, is here this morning to break down a few of the biggest mortgage mistakes. Now, Rodney, there are a number of things that people should avoid doing before closing on their new home. And you have a list of things that you say people shouldn't do, starting with, don't open a new credit card.
Yeah, one of the most important things, Shannon, is your credit score. And the last thing you want to have happen to you is your credit score drop right before you close on your home loan, and you have to take a higher rate or you may not be approved. The number one step, don't open any new credit, not just even credit cards. Don't go get new car loans. Don't go add any new student loans. We see this all the time, and it can derail people, or it can drop that credit score, and you will be charged significant increases in interest rate because of Fannie Mae charges those things.
Wow, so hold tight with those credit cards. Don't do it, you say. But you also say don't change up your job.
Yeah, let your lender know everything up front. We're going to verify employment up front when you're doing your loan, but we are also going to verify your employment the day of closing. I'll give you an example. Client was refinancing last month on their mortgage.
Okay.
Here they are. They go to the closing table. The wife didn't tell the husband that she had been laid off from her job.
Oh, no.
We call to verify employment. She's no longer employed. Guess what happens?
Ooh.
They can't get a loan. So a lot of times you'll see these situations. Don't go change your pay structure. Don't go from being salaried to self-employed. Tell your lender everything up front, because you have to have history with an employer normally.
Okay, now I have this really good friend who's purchasing a new home but has not sold their existing home. Are they taking a risk in today's market?
Well, here's what's going to happen. A lot of people don't want to double move, so they're putting their house on the market and they're selling them quickly. Okay. The question becomes, are you able to qualify for two mortgages at the same time? I know the perfect scenario happens all the time. You want to move into your house, then sell your old one. But most people don't realize you have to qualify for both homes. Even though you're going to be selling your home in the next 30 days, you could be at risk because you have to make both mortgage payments. So it's very important before you go out and buy another house, you find that dream house, get approved up front so a lender can tell you, do you need that money out of the sale of your home? Do you need to be able to qualify with the sale of that home? So don't just assume, make sure you have a lender up front that gives you all this information.
Sounds like it's really important to also have things like not buying too much house around.
I'm seeing this be a big problem right now, okay? Because people are getting shell-shocked. They go out and find a house. They're renting. They're paying $1,700 a month in rent in their 600-square-foot apartment, and they go out and they think that they want their payments at about $2,000 a month. They get shell-shocked because they got to buy more house than they think, and all of a sudden their payments are $2,500 a month. If you're struggling making your $1,700 rent payments, what makes you think that you're going to be able to make a $2,500 mortgage payment? So don't go out and buy too much house. Here's what I tell people. You can grow into your house. What I mean by that is you don't have to stay in your house 30 years anymore. Buy a house, stay in it 5-7 years, sell it, get ready for the next house. Don't just prepare for your long-term house, because people don't live in houses 30 years anymore.
Yeah, I think those are really good advice, tips. Rodney Anderson, you can contact this man for more information at 1-800-EXPRESS for more information. Also about refinancing, just go ahead and log on to RodneyAnderson.com, and you can also find these great tips.